If you're watching this video, I'm assuming you either really like these cars or you're possibly picking one up. So I'm gonna show you 3 different E39 M5s that I bought for under 10K, and right here's 2 of them. And on the topic of today's video, just like that, the battery's dead. The car sat for not even a week and the battery completely died. Changed the battery. We got some more space. Now we can go ahead and get back to the main topic of the video, getting one of these cars for 10K. This is my third and my most recent E39 M5. I bought 3 for under 10,000 over the past 3 years. I'll go ahead and pop in a picture of my silver one that's in the garage, as well as a silver one that I bought 2 years ago. When looking for one of these cars, the main 3 sources to check are Facebook Marketplace. You can look in your location. I often look in the surrounding states and surrounding cities of my area, as well as OfferUp. I tend to just go on OfferUp, type in M5, and then set my distance to the maximum. And as well as Craigslist and search all Craigslist. I'm gonna try to throw in a few ads I've seen for these cars recently. A lot of the cars in the price range of this video have very poor ads. There's really no maintenance, there's no history on the car. It's not descriptive of what's actually wrong with the car, what it needs. So therefore, I'm gonna throw in some examples for you guys to see. This car right here that we're looking at is definitely one of them. This car on the ad needed nothing and just needed a couple cosmetics. He stated that the bumper was messed up and that he would maybe want to refresh the paint job. This car is really terrible condition. Almost everything on the exterior needs work or completely doesn't function, like the mirrors, the rocker panels are dented. I have a full video of this car going over everything that's wrong with it, so make sure you go check that video out. When you go look at one of these cars in person, honestly, prepare yourself to expect the worst. I always go in there expecting this car to be what the description says, or at least a little bit better than what it actually is. And I always am underwhelmed, and I always get my hopes up. Always check the VIN. Make sure you do a full background. Some people don't want to pay for a Carfax, that's understandable. At least use a VIN decoder online, they're free. I recently just seen this week someone go pick up a car that was Imola red with Imola interior. They ran the VIN after purchasing the car, and the car was titanium silver, resprayed Imola. It had heritage interior swapped with the Imola red interior. Just be patient when looking for one of these cars. As myself, I'm a very impatient person. I always kind of jump on the deals right away, and then a week later something else pops up in my price range that I would have rather had, you know, whether it be a different exterior color, a different interior color. Just be patient. If it's not something that you're 100% set on, just wait, find something that you really want. With everything we talked about, a good thing to keep in mind is that these cars don't really have that many issues. Like E46, you need to get rod bearings done, you need vanos, you need subframe reinforcements. Of course, there are examples where it is needed, but majority of these cars do not need these services. These aren't 540s. You don't have to do timing chain. Find one that has somewhat of a record, somewhat history, and just take care of the car and enjoy it. Don't be scared of it. Don't be scared of high miles. These cars really don't take that much to keep running. Just make sure you drive them. Don't let them sit.